Windows 11 Home in S Mode dimensions, and weight 12.76 x 8.86 by 0.71 inches. 3.24 pounds. Ports 1x USB-C 3.0, 2x USB-A 3.0, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x media card reader, 1x headphone and microphone combo, 1x AC smart pin. 1 year Office 365 bonus docking station set 1x 7-in-1 docking station with 256GB storage, 1x 32GB microSD card with adapter, 1x Type-C data cable, 1x 3-in-1 charging cable, 1x suede cleaning cloth. 8GB DDR4 RAM. Elevate your projects with a high-speed RAM, ensuring faster data processing, seamless multitasking, and improved responsiveness that keeps you in the flow. 416GB storage, 128GB eMMC plus 256GB 7-in-1 docking station plus 32GB microSD card adapter. Delivers blazing boot-up speed and enhanced storage capabilities. Effortlessly access your extensive digital library with ease. Upgraded seal is opened for upgrade only, 1-year warranty on upgraded RAM, the SSD, and original 1-year manufacturer warranty on remaining components. 1.4 HD BrightView display. The captivating clarity and brilliance will surely enhance your work and entertainment endeavors. With a microbezel display, prepare for unparalleled immersion on an expansive screen.